Hello, this is One Person Studio here. So this is episode 12 of my series on coding game, where I solve easy algorithmic puzzles, and we're going to start with this one, logic gates. Right. So what is the goal of this puzzle? So a logic gate is an electronic device implementing a boolean function. So it performs AND, or, exclusive or, not AND, not or not exclusive or. Okay. So the signals are represented with underscore and minus characters. An underscore matching a low level, 0 or false, and a minus matching is a high level, so 1 or true. Okay. So given n input signal names and their respective data, output signal names with their respective type of gate and two input signal names. So I need to provide m output signal names and their respective data in the same order. Okay. So obviously we're going to use a logic to complete this puzzle. Okay, let's solve it. I'm going to use a new language because I've been using Python for previous episodes. Even though it's the best programming language to code, but I want to try something else. So I'm going to try not C#. I'm going to try C++. Okay, let's go. I think it says right here. Okay. Right. Okay. So this is the input right here. It tells you a lot, but we can easily simplify it. But let's explain what it does. So line 1 is the number of input signals. Line 2, which is M, is number of output signals. And the next lines are basically the for loop, so two space separate strings. Where's it here? Is it? It's here, isn't it? Yeah. So what this does is two space separated strings. So name of, I'm just going to copy it. So name of input signal, and this one here is separated 4, so 4 space separated strings. So it does name of output signal, then type of logic gates, then first input name, and then lastly second input name. So that's what it does. And then output, which is here, it just prints out the output signal and then the signal form. Okay, well, I want to keep all of this, but I want to add my own methods, and we can easily simplify this. So I'm not going to use any of this. What I'm going to use is include bits std ++ h. That's what I'm going to use, and I want to use a type def std string, and we're going to use this. So go to this. We don't need the username namespace. Not using namespace, sorry. So for int m, Okay. I want to add two integers, so n and m. So what n does, and then what m does. Okay. And now I want to add a string, so std string. I want to add so s1, s2, op, and val. You'll understand what this means later on. So I want to make a an unordered map. So to do this is std on ordered map less, and then it tells you what it does. Yeah, so type name, basically all this. So I want to use sig twice. So that's basically what an unordered map does. And doesn't say it, but yeah, literally, what string is basically a string of character, basically. And does it say what this does? Yeah, it says it. And that's what it does. Okay. Right. I want to why I want to do this. I want to include all the logic gates. So and, or, exclusive, or, not and, not or, and not exclusive, or. That's what I want to do. So to do this, unordered map sig std function bool. So I want to do bool, two bools, and use this, and then OPS. Oh, I forgot the cache. My bad. Now it works. See, that was a squiggly line now. Yeah. So let's order all the logic gates. Let's start with and. Bool. That's not right. That's not right. There you go. Bool. Let's do A. Bool B. And then I'm going to return A. Just basically, this is an and sign. And there you go. So I'm going to keep on repeating this for the or signed, exclusive or sign, not and sign, not or sign, and not exclusive or sign. So let's do or first. It's pretty much the same apart from this. So that's basically the or symbol. And let's do this. That's the symbol for that. So so that's the symbol for not and sign. Not all. That's the symbol for not or sign. And lastly, there you go. That's the symbol for this. Alright. Now we need to close the bracket. I think it's already closed. So let's just add a semicolon. Okay, that's done. So let's do a method to print in. So std sin n m. Right. So we don't need this. That's already done. That's already done here. So what I'm doing is basically simplifying this. So to do this, so for int I equals 0, I less than n, and the difference is what I'm going to do instead of this, it's going to be the opposite. So plus plus I. And I'm going to do std sin, so, and then cache, and then add a square brackets to this. Okay, that's done. Now for the method, for the m method, sin m, not n, sorry. Oh no, forget it. Forget all this. I'm just gonna add a for loop. So for int I equals to 0, I less than m, and yeah. So instead of this, I'm just gonna replace it. I'm just gonna do the opposite. So std sin, so op s1 s2. Oh, you need two. You need two colons, not one colon. It wouldn't work. So to print out, so I would add two empty strings with a spacebar. So let's add a for loop. So for int j equals to 0, j less than cache, s1 dot size plus plus j, and then we'll do std c out, and then do ops. Oh no. Oh, was that right? Yeah, that's right. Okay. op. And then do cache s1, and then do j. We want to do two equal signs for dash. So we want to do this, and then it has to be s2 now, because we've done s1. And then j, two equal signs. Do this. Now that's done, we've got to do the question mark, and do it again, and then colon underscore. And now I'm just going to print it out. Or is that not right? Should be. Okay, let's write it again. It should be right. Okay, well, that's basically that. And we don't need this. Okay, I think that should work. Okay, that all works. Okay, I can just submit it. There you go. Well, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.